Hello with everyone. We are going to talk about the topic of constructivist learning theory first. What is constructivism? Conceptualization. Constructivism is a learning theory that holds that students actively construct their own knowledge based on prior experience and knowledge. I have the principal ideas that is promote students' autonomy, encourage constant reflection, meaningful active learning, interaction with the environment, based on prior knowledge, and motivation with relevance. Suggestions for teaching with this theory. Promote autonomy and initiative. Develop strategies and processes, not just answers. Connect ideas and create conceptual networks. Ask open and creative questions. Promote a safe environment to make mistakes. Adapt support to individual needs. And see mistakes as part of learning. I have examples for this theory. Such as project-based learning, students investigate local river pollution, propose solutions, and engage in cleanups and community campaigns. Simulation and role-playing. For example, job interview, students role-playing as employers and job seekers, practicing interview skills by asking and answering questions effectively. And finally, using concept maps and diagrams. In science, students create a concept map of the water cycle, showing stages and relationships such as evaporation, condensation, and precipitation in different climates in religions. I have two main approaches to constructivism. That is cognitive constructivism associated with Piaget. It focuses on the importance of the mind in learning, and social constructivism associated with Vygotsky. It highlights the role of the environment and interaction between students. Both approaches believe that students construct their own knowledge, but they place emphasis on different aspects of the learning process.
I am talking about the social constructivism left Vygotsky. For the next is the emphasis in relation for the social interaction and environment. And the other theory is the part in the cognitive development by interaction with more knowledge, others within the zone of proximal development, and process learning through collaboration and social support ultimate task performance. And the suppose we have in an elementary class students within the stories and ropes, the most skilled how the let's advance with ideas, words, and structure. Thus, everyone improves the within skills collaboratively in the zone of proximal development according to Vygotsky. For cognitive constructivism, Jim Piaget, in the emphasis is the individual cognitive and development, and the other theory is the learning through studies or cognitive development, bio-assimilation and accommodation, and the next process reorganizing cognitive structures by interacting with the environment. And the samples and the concrete operation stake is the students study how light and water affect plant growth, understanding their life cycle. And the assimilation and accommodation is that they directly observe how plants germinate, grow, and reproduce, adjusting their ideas with practical experience. And in development of strategy, they use concept maps to explore how enlightenment ideas of liberty and equality influence the French Revolutions, connecting across concepts to important historical events.
Finally, constructivism is crucial in education because it promotes active and meaningful learning, where students construct their own knowledge through direct experience and critical reflection. This approach encourages a deep understanding of concepts rather than simple memorization and develops critical and problem-solving skills. Furthermore, constructivists adapt learning to the individual needs and contexts of each student, facilitating the transfer and application of knowledge to different real-life situations and contexts.